Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Ktaxon full-size acoustic electric guitar kit. This is a 41-inch instrument featuring a cutaway design, presented in a classic sunburst finish. The guitar's body, including the top, back, and sides, is crafted for basswood. This choice of material is highlighted for its ability to produce a rich, full-bodied sound with enhanced resonance, delivering clear and vibrant tones suitable for both beginners and intermediate players. A notable feature is the cutaway body shape. This design isn't just aesthetic, it significantly improves access to the higher frets, making it easier to play melodies and solos across the entire fretboard. The guitar also comes equipped with a built-in adjustable EQ. This allows players to tailor their sound to match different musical styles or preferences, which is particularly useful when the guitar is amplified. Speaking of amplification, this kit provides everything needed to plug in and play right away. It includes a 10-watt amplifier and the necessary cable. This compact amp is ideal for practicing at home or for small, intimate performance settings. Beyond the guitar and amp, this is presented as a truly complete package. The set includes a digital tuner to ensure the guitar is always in tune, a capo for easily changing keys, and several picks to get started. For portability and protection, a gig bag is included, along with a cleaning cloth to maintain its appearance, and a comfortable shoulder strap for playing while standing. It seems to cover all the essential accessories a new player would need. The guitar itself is described as having a durable and stylish build. With its sleek, natural finish and solid construction, it not only looks impressive, but is designed to withstand regular use, promising lasting performance and style. Whether someone is just beginning their musical journey or is an intermediate player looking for a versatile instrument, this Ktaxon kit appears to be a strong contender. It aims to offer easy playability alongside features often found on more professional instruments. It's positioned as an ultimate choice for anyone looking to explore their musical talent or expand their instrument collection with a capable acoustic electric model.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.